Hello everyone, this is Shubham from Gossipfunda and today I am going to show you how to fix a laptop's RAM to a desktop or personal computer's RAM. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the topic. So as you can see, this is what a RAM or laptop's RAM look like, and it's pretty compact as compared to personal computers RAM. And there is the place where you can insert it, and it supports DDR3. It's written on the cap. It supports DDR3. And eventually what happened, like my personal computer got some issues, so I had to change it, and I took out the RAM from it, and now I'm trying to fix it on my personal computer. So it is, as you can see, the size, the RAM motherboard area, which is very big and has to fix a big RAM, but the size of the laptop's RAM is very tiny, I would like to say. Now to fix it right there on the point, that is that blue shade, as you can see on there, let me get closer. It doesn't fix it as such, and it's tiny and it's a bit loose, I would like to say. So to let me zoom you in, and yeah, as you can see, so to fix it on the correct place, you have to buy this. It is a RAM fixing, it's like if you got a big small RAM, I would like to say, so it can be fixed in any personal computer. So it is available on Amazon, Flipkart, or any other tech service related, and it's merely around 500 rupees, approximately $5 to $6. And as you can see, you have to match those clips. As you can see, the gray point and the yellow cut points, the cut point should be properly matched, and if you turn it, it doesn't match, so it will kindly break, I would like to say. So how to fix it? There it goes to the slot, and yeah, probably like this, but I have to press it hard to get it fixed with those sides. I have to lock it up, I guess. I think it's fixed. Yeah, it's completely fixed. As you can see, if I move it a bit, it will not fall down. And yes, to the point, I will compare it to my personal computer's RAM as well. It was a 4 GB, I would like to say, and laptop's one was 8 GB. To the information, as you can see, the size has become almost same now, thanks to that tool. And now, as you can see, I'll try to fix it right there on the point. And as you can see, there are cuts, and I have to match that. There are two channels, DDR3 channels, and I have to fix on the left side one and the other on the right side. So let's further proceed that. Now there is a gentle reminder, like you have to press it softly for to fix it. Don't press it hard, or else it will break down and it will cause a loss. As you can see, I have pressed on the both left and right side corners of it, and now it fixes completely, as you can see. And now to fix the other one, I have to press the slots with the cuts there in the blue and on the card itself. Now there's another gentle reminder that I would like to elaborate, that don't press on the RAM, rather press on the side corners of the cards, or else there is the chance of breaking the RAM service, and it will cause a loss again. So it's better to take the safe side of it. Now let's try to fix it by pressing the corners. As you can see, it's fixed totally, and yeah, that's the simple process of how you fix laptop's RAM to a PC RAM service in the motherboard itself. And now it's better I will join all the parts of the computer, and I will show you in a screen record that whether it is showing 12 GB RAM or not, the 8 GB from the laptop and 4 GB from the computer itself. So let's go to the Windows area and settings. Let it open. Yeah, it's there, and let me search about your PC. Let's go. As you can see, it is showing 12 GB. Now that's the trick you can go for. So that was my tutorial, like how to transfer a laptop's RAM service to a personal computer with that card which is available. I showed you. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and yeah, do like, comment, share it to your friends if it was helpful, and always do subscribe to Gossipfunda. Don't forget to put down your queries in the comment section if you have, and I've also added a link in the description area for my other videos. Do check that. And yeah, stay happy, stay safe, and yes, do subscribe to Gossipfunda.